I'm at the beach in Busan, and behind me is like a water festival. It was really lit. And then in front of me, there's like all this like food things. So I got myself, I don't know if I can show it, but I got myself a highball, and I'm gonna get another one and just walk around the beach because they have so much food here. What the fuck? This is so lit. This is like a party at the beach. Hey! You know what the fun thing about being on the beach drunk is? And I don't condone alcohol, so don't drink it. I mean, you do you. I don't really care. But like, when you're walking on the beach and you're stumbling, no one will know if you're just drunk or it's just the sand. So that's a little bit of word of advice. Kelly's tips. Morning. Yesterday I missed the drone show because it's supposedly every Saturday at Gwangalli Beach, which is the next beach. And I've heard that actually Gwangalli Beach is more up and coming than Hyundai Beach because there's more things to do there. I think it's more like the younger generation are hanging around this beach or going to this beach to kind of do things. So I'm going there today because it is probably one of the only sunny days that we've had so far being here. So I'm gonna go to the beach, just enjoy myself, check out what's there as well, and yeah, just let's go to the beach. So I was laying here, and something I figured out is that these like umbrellas are not free. So they came over and they were asking for like 5,000 won. And I didn't know who they were. I just thought they were asking for money. So I was like, what? But apparently they give you like this thing, and then that means that you've rented the umbrella. So it's fine. Like I paid for it, I rented it, but I thought it was free.
beach is calling out my name. The waves are crashing gently, and the breeze is blowing through my hair. Summer vibe, it's so right. The feeling of freedom in the air. The days are long and lazy, and the nights are filled with music and fun. Palm top. The palm